Using an Apple gift card for Steam purchases is a bit more complicated than using a traditional payment method, but it can be done with a few extra steps. First, you need to purchase an Apple gift card and then use it to add funds to your Apple ID account. To add the gift card to your Apple ID account, open the App Store on your Apple device. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. Enter the gift card code and tap Redeem. Once the gift card is added to your account, you can use it to purchase an iTunes gift card. To do this, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and tap Purchase iTunes Gift Card. Choose the amount you want to purchase and tap Next. You will then be asked to confirm your purchase and the iTunes gift card will be sent to your email. Now that you have an iTunes gift card, you can use it to add funds to your Steam account. To do this, you need to purchase a Steam gift card from the Steam store using your iTunes gift card. First, log into your Steam account and navigate to the Steam store. Click on your profile name in the top right corner and select Account Details. Scroll down to the Store and Purchase History section and click on Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Select Purchase Steam gift card and choose the amount you want to add to your wallet. You will then be redirected to a purchase page where you can enter your iTunes gift card code. Enter the code and confirm your purchase. The funds will be added to your Steam wallet and you can use them to purchase games, in-game items, and other content on Steam. It is essential to note that this method may not be available in all regions and the process may vary depending on your location. Additionally, make sure to check the terms and conditions of both Apple and Steam before making any purchases. By following these steps, you can use your Apple gift card to add funds to your Steam account and enjoy your favorite games and content. Remember to always use secure and legitimate methods when making online purchases to avoid any potential issues.